My name is Nicholas, and the cameraman is Mr. Murrell. We have purchased the Black Spider helicopter. It's a small remote-controlled helicopter available at CVS for $19.99. We purchased it with a coupon that was received in the mail for a certain percentage off, and our total net cost was about $17. Our previous experience, which was documented by the by a previous YouTube posting, EXRC Sky Patroller, which are the keywords to find the post, documented our persistent struggle to get one of these suckers to work. We had made 4 attempts. We purchased the Sky Patroller at JCPenney, the previous helicopter, and had to return it 4 times in order to, get it to work in it. Here we are. Let's unpack it. It's been closed with tape, so let's open the box gingerly. There we go. It's nicely packaged. Everything looks to be secure. Tape. Seems to be packaged a bit better than the Sky Patroller that's available at JCPenney. Okay. Okay, there's the helicopter. And here is the remote. Okay, we are back. I have removed the battery cover from the Black Spider helicopter remote. I've inserted 6 AA batteries, and I'm going to put the battery cover back on. Don't lose your little screw, and then we'll tighten that up. Nice and snug. Okay, now what we have to do is insert the connection wire into the helicopter via this port here. Okay, there's the on-off switch is also located in the same area. If you can get a close-up of that. Okay, I'm going to connect the remote to the helicopter. Okay, that's in there. I'm turning on the remote. Okay, and we have a blinking red light and a solid green light. Now the green light indicates what, Murrell?
It's charging, and the blinking light means it's not fully charged.
Okay, so it'll take approximately 20 minutes to fully charge.
25.
Okay, we're back. We think the helicopter has charged fully. Apparently it only took 14 minutes instead of the recommended 25 minutes. The green indicator light turned off. However, we did adjust the connection to the port, which the port or the wire, I'm not sure which, one or the other seems to be a bit loose. So upon kind of adjusting it a bit, the green light turns back on. Okay, the unit is ready for takeoff. And here we go, the unit is turned on, lights flashing. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh no!
Okay, I got it. I'm getting there. See, you have to, it needs practice, Murrell.
Well, I was reading about real helicopter pilots. I'll tell you when you see.
Here we go. Oh, okay. Look at that. Okay, that's You gotta stop. Okay. Hey!
I can't see it. Oh, it's coming back.
Very good.
I'm getting
You're
there.
getting there, yeah.
It's very sensitive, this thing.
Oh,
Forward.
I'm trying.
Okay.
There we go.
We're gonna crash into the ceiling
No,
again.
I'm not. I didn't.
Well, after our first flight, it's charging up again, and we're gonna have to wait a while to fly it again. And here, Nick, what's your comments about the first flight?
Well, in my opinion, it really did. The first flight went very well, and the control responds, very well. Not too much of a delay. There's a slight delay, but not very much. But overall, a good first flight.
How much do you think it is that we weren't pointing the infrared at the helicopter?
Well, there was an issue with the helicopter kind of going up and spinning and that kind of thing. But I think that was my fault. I think I was not directing the infrared sensor that's at the very front end of the remote.
You should have been pointing it up at the helicopter.
At the helicopter. So you need
So it kept on going in the mode that it was in.
You point that at the helicopter while
To keep it from crashing into the ceiling.
Otherwise, it doesn't respond properly and it'll crash. We're getting better, Joanne. Here we go, look!
You're gonna hit the ceiling,
Oh, boy. Look at that, man. You guys are almost ready for an emergency landing to rescue people.
Oh, I almost had it to land on me.
Toy fight, a toy fight.
Share.
hit the ceiling again.
Well, so what? That's all right.
Yeah, I don't want my ceiling cracked up with helicopter pilot.
The Black Spider deserves a rating of B-. So it responded very well. A little difficulty trying to get it to stop spinning, but it seemed to improve with my experience with the joysticks. Response, a minute delay, but overall good control of the helicopter. And that's about it.
When it's